across the room at night. Lonely whispers echo in the dim light. Fragile dreams shatter like broken glass. In this haze where the moments pass. Eyes that pierce but never hold. Stories told in whispers bold. Tangled thoughts like twisted vines. Lurking secrets between the lines. In the dark we're faceless souls, caught between the highs and lows. Melancholy waves we ride, drowning in the tears we hide. Echoes dancing in the night's embrace. A fragile heart in a hidden place. Silent screams that no one hears. Memories tangled with old fears. Cold winds whisper secrets lost. Spirits pay the heavy cost. In the stillness of the night, fading slowly out of sight. In the dark we're